So now who can help me in the chat to write number 1, 2, 3, 4? So number drawing. Okay. Yeah.
I want to choose oval, ma'am.
Oval. Okay then. Oval. So it's number 3. Yeah. Okay. And then the next person.
Fiona is speaking, ma'am.
Yeah.
I choose star.
Star. Okay. Fiona star. Okay. Number 4. So Sandra, please help me. Okay. Then.
Anggun speaking, ma'am.
Yeah.
I will choose the heart.
Heart. Okay then. Okay, Anggun, you are number 2, Anggun. Okay, so that means Sandra, you have no other choice. Okay, diamond is for you. Okay, now who is number 1?
Yes. One is me, Sandra.
Okay, and then
Number 2 is Anggun.
Anggun. Okay, and then
And number 3
yeah.
is Abigail.
Okay, and then
And the is Fiona.
okay, Fiona. Thank you. Okay, so that means after the number drawing, okay, part 1, it is for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Sandra is the spokesperson, assisted by Anggun as the prompter, assisted by Abigail as the moderator, and Fiona as the technician. And then for part 1, when you finish, okay, for part 2, it's here. So 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 1. 3 becomes 4, 4 becomes 3. Yeah? Okay.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, my friends. Today, we from Sensor Group will have a presentation about biography and autobiography. Okay, so first, about biography text, it will be presented by Sandra.
Okay, thank you, Abigail, for the chance. Okay, we have come to the first part of our presentation, and I would like to define more about the biography itself. And it highlights different aspects of his or her life. Okay, next we go to the function of biography. So, what is the function of biography? Okay, I think that's all my presentation. I will leave it to the moderator, Abigail.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Anggun, for your presentation. This is the last of part 1. Now I will give it to the second moderator.
Anggun, the time is yours.
Thank you, Fiona. And now we will continue with the generic structure. The first paragraph we have the orientation, but this is optional. It consists of conclusions or a comment of the writer. It also tells about the achievement or the contributions of the person. And this is the example of the biography text. As you can see, we have the orientations as the first paragraph, and we have the events on paragraphs 2, 3, and 4, and we have the reorientation in the last paragraph. Thank you. This is for me. I will give it back to the moderator, Fiona.
Thank you, Anggun, for the presentation.
Yeah. So thank you. That is the first part, the first and second part of your presentation. Yeah. So now we will have to continue. So the rest 2 students, the remaining 2 students, so I have prepared ice cream and dessert.
Fiona is speaking, ma'am.
Okay.
I choose ice cream.
Fiona, ice cream. Okay then. Oh, okay. Nothing is here. It means that, okay, the rest is Anggun. The rest is?
The rest is salad, ma'am.
Oh, Abigail. The rest is Abigail. Okay. Abigail,
Yes.
you have no other choice. Salad is also nice. Good. Okay. It is number 1. So, Abigail, you got number?
1.
Okay. So, I put number 1 here. Fiona, later for part 4, it is number 1 here for you. So, it's easy to fill in the boxes here. So, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. Yeah, so it's
One.
easy. Yeah. Okay, so for part 3 and 4, it is fixed now. Abigail is the spokesperson, and then Fiona is the prompter, Sandra is the moderator, and Anggun is the technician. For part 4, so based on the numbers here, member role here. So number 1, okay, spokesperson, Fiona is the spokesperson, and then number 2, it is Abigail. Number 3, it is Anggun. Okay, the last is Sandra as the technician. Okay.
Okay, thank you, my lecturer and friends who has been waiting for us for break. And now we have come to the third part of our presentation, and I will leave it to the presenter, Abigail. The time is yours.
We will start with the definition of autobiography. So autobiography is one type of biography. Autobiography tells us about a life story of an author. So in autobiography, the writer is the author. Okay, this is the end of the part 3. I will give it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Abigail, for the presentation. Now I will leave it to the moderator of part 4, Anggun.
Thank you, Sandra. Now we will move to the last part.
Thank you, Anggun. The structure of autobiography. A study took place rather than incorporating input from other resources. That's all from me. I will give it back to you, Anggun.
Okay, thank you, Fiona, as the presentation.
Okay, thank you, Sincere Group. You have done the presentation well. Is it a must to have the permission? So let's go back to the first formation. The first formation, number 1 is Sandra, number 2 is Anggun, number 3 is Abigail, number 4 is Fiona. Okay, maybe Sandra, you can try to answer.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I would like to try to answer. And this is based on my knowledge. As what I know is that we still have to ask for permission to the subject of whom we are writing about. Why? Because we need to get the true information from him or her. Yeah. So if we don't get the permission, we cannot really have the true information from them in case they have passed away. So we can just ask permission to their family. Yeah, the family is the one who is know him or her very well. So it means, yeah, we should ask the family, the closest one to the subject itself. So that's my opinion, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Sandra. What about Anggun? You are number 2 in the list.
Yes, ma'am, this is Anggun speaking. I thought the similar thing with Sandra, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to add something, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
In our opinion, if I mean, if we want to, but if we just do some writing class about autobiography or biography, it will not necessary for us. That's all my opinion, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Abigail. The last, Fiona, maybe you want to add something?
No, ma'am. I don't think so.